my name is Boom, and today I am gonna teach you how to book a free night award with World of Hyatt. Let's dig in. We need to log in to our Hyatt account, which I already have it pulled up. Go to the right hand side near the person icon. You will see your awards. So there, now it pops up. I am choosing to book a category 1 through 4 night award. So you click on to the three right dots next to the expiration date, and you click on explore hotels. After you click that, it will pop up a world of all of Hyatt properties in the world. A map of all the World of Hyatt properties in the world. Type it in, where you want to stay. I want to redeem a room near JFK where I will be landing in August after a European cruise. I am choosing the closest property, which is the Hyatt Regency at JFK Airport. I've never been in this property. It's a category 4, which is a bonus because my particular free night award is redeemable from a category 1 through a category 4, and I love to redeem it with a category 4s because obviously they are a much better redemption. It's free, no points needed. Might as well go for the highest that you can go. For 1 room, 2 guests. I am going to stay there from August 30th through the 31st. Just checking availability. Oh, there you go. And now you click view rates. It'll take you to another page which shows what you're able to redeem. So I want a 1 king bed for a free night. Standard room free night. I'm good with that. Select. Okay, now you just have to make sure all of your details are correct. So, blah, 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 August 30th to 31st. You put your credit card details for, standard for holding stuff. I want to tell them that I am going to be a late arrival. I'm going to arrive there probably around 11:30 that night, I think is when I'm landing. So, I already put in all of the details that I needed to put in. I'll click book my stay and it should process. There you go. Now I have a confirmation for that day on August 30th. There you go, guys. So that's how you book your free night award using Hyatt. Thank you so much for watching that tutorial. I hope you learned something. If you do have any questions, please let me know. Ask me in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer as best as I can. Till the next video. See ya!